What's going on? It's your boy Chosen One with the golden tongue. Sinashti, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. And I'm back on your screens, baby. And you know, if you see me on your screens, you know there is an important message that needs to be heard. Because why? It's from God through my mouth to your ears. Feel me? So take heed to the message. Chosen ones out there looking for love. Let me tell you something, chosen ones. Love doesn't come for everybody. So you might want to switch your focus. I'm dead serious. You know that energy you put into looking for love, or the energy you put into not having love and feeling all sad and depressed that you don't have it. Let me tell you something, chosen ones. Let me tell you the reason why it's so hard to find true love in this society we're in. Simply because, chosen ones, you are an unconditional loving being. You love people without conditions, feel me? And you being an unconditional lover in a conditional loving world, where does the balance happen? Where does the balance begin? Honestly, there's no balance. Did you hear what I said? You are an unconditional lover living in a conditional loving world. Meaning, in this world, that love that you receive comes with conditions. You know what I'm saying? It comes with conditions. And once the conditions are broken like a contract, the love is out the door. You get what I'm saying? Fellas, the game is rigged against you. So just give the love looking a break. You get what I'm saying? The relationship looking a break. I suggest you take all that time. You know it's gonna be hurtful at that. It's gonna hurt and you're gonna feel pain, but that pain is the fuel that you're gonna use to throw on the fire to your desires. You get what I'm saying? And I'm dead serious about that, chosen ones. This video is strictly for chosen ones and not the LTSOs, the less than smart ones, because they will never understand what the hell I'm talking about. You get what I'm saying? Chosen ones, in this world where love comes with conditions, I'm telling you, there is no reason that your unconditional loving heart should be seeking the validation or the wanting or the needing of somebody else's superficial love and their superficial BS and their superficial games. Oh, I'm dead serious, chosen ones. Get on your grind. I used to be like that too. I used to chase love. I used to chase relationships. And then I noticed that I was just getting the short end of the stick. I was getting the short end of the stick every single time. So what I had to do was put that love that I was trying to put into somebody else, put them on the pedestal. I put myself on the pedestal. And then you know what? I started to see the gains. I started to come to the gym. You see where I'm at? I'm at the club. And I'm not talking about the dance club. I'm talking about the fitness club. I put that love into myself. I became Sinashti and I started to make the changes. And then look, I'm changing other people's lives. You know what I'm saying? I inspired people to change their lives also. And it feels good. It feels pretty damn good. You know what I mean? I can smell the gym already. All right, listen, people. I gotta go, so hit me in the comment section. One love.